Hey teachers, have you considered how you can use generative AI like ChatGPT in order to increase your connections with families and parents? I know that some teachers spend hours every week constructing newsletters that are these incredible artifacts that allow parents and families to plug into the classroom and support their children. So, what if you could reduce the amount of time that it took to create these documents to just a couple of minutes? Would you start doing this practice or increase your practice and send these newsletters out more frequently? Let me show you an incredibly simple example of how to do this. All right, to start with this, I'm going to take my first 5 lessons from my Animal Farm unit and I'm going to drop those into my preferred chatbot. Then I'm going to write a prompt and I'm going to ask this chatbot to generate me a newsletter. I'm going to tell it that I want a summary of the weekly goals that students are working on, an executive summary of what's happening in the book that we're reading, Animal Farm, what homework do students have that week, and what topics should they be discussing with their students at home. And boom, the chatbot is going to give me all of these things. Of course, I have to clean this up a little bit and fact check some things, but I can even just ask the AI to adjust its output, and quickly I have something that I can use. And that's it. I can reuse this prompt as many times as I want, and I just have to replace the documents. I can even take pictures of things like my daily goals that are written up on the board and have the AI write about those as well. Take some work off your shoulders and use generative AI to convert information into something usable for parents and families. Reduce the amount of time that you spend sitting in front of a computer tinkering away on a document. Let me know how you use this and if this expands your practice of using newsletters in your classroom.